Most people live with constant money anxiety, checking their bank account and waiting for payday like it's a finish line. They tell themselves they'll start investing when the timing feels perfect, but inflation keeps quietly stealing their future. It feels safe to do nothing, yet deep down, that safety is slowly turning into fear. Society teaches us that millionaires live loud, surrounded by luxury cars, massive homes, and nonstop attention. Social media pushes the fantasy that wealth is fast, flashy, and effortless. But the truth is, real wealth is usually quiet, boring, and invisible, and that's exactly why most people miss it. Doing nothing doesn't pause your life, it slowly pushes you backward. Time is the most expensive cost we ignore, and regret compounds faster than money ever could. The biggest risk isn't losing money, it's never building the habits that quietly create freedom. What if the millionaires you admire aren't the ones driving luxury cars, but the quiet neighbor next door? I'm Ethan, and welcome to Ethan's Money Library, building wealth one book at a time. Today we're breaking down The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley, for education only, and if you want practical wealth lessons most people never learn, subscribe and stay with me until the end. Most real millionaires don't live flashy lives. They don't win by earning wildly more than everyone else. They win by spending far less than they could. This quiet discipline becomes the invisible foundation that keeps their wealth standing strong over decades. Saving just $500 a month doesn't sound impressive until you realize it becomes $6,000 a year. That money isn't about income level, it's about lifestyle choices made every single month. Less spending means less stress, no paycheck panic, and real freedom to say no. The biggest trap is upgrading your lifestyle every time your income goes up. Millionaires flip the script, they save first, then live on what's left. As Warren Buffett said, don't save what's left after spending. Spend what's left after saving. Like the gym, boring daily reps beat one intense effort. Most people believe you need to be incredibly smart to build wealth. But real millionaires know something quieter. Consistency beats intelligence every time. Wealth is built slowly, through simple actions repeated daily, not clever tricks done once. Think about this. $10 a day doesn't feel powerful. But over a month, that's about $300 moving you forward, quietly and consistently. Small habits compound into real wealth when you stay patient and keep going. The biggest mistake people make is chasing hot trends or waiting for perfect timing. Millionaires stay calm, skip small indulgences, and trust boring consistency over exciting risks. As James Clear said, success is the product of daily habits. Many people think wealth is something you wear, drive, or post online. But the truth is, looking rich often comes with a hidden cost that keeps you stuck. Appearances feel good for a moment, but they quietly delay real financial freedom. A $1,000 lifestyle upgrade doesn't feel dangerous in the moment, but over a year, that's $12,000 quietly walking out the door. That money could have bought peace, options, and long-term security instead. Real millionaires don't rent status to impress people who don't pay their bills. They choose privacy over attention, control over applause, and peace of mind over approval. Renting status is like renting happiness. It disappears every month. Most people think wealth comes from luck or one big break. But real millionaires know the truth. Wealth is behavior repeated over decades. It's not exciting, but it's incredibly powerful. Time beats timing, every single time. Even small amounts grow when you stay patient and consistent. Millionaires don't rush. They let time do the heavy lifting. The hardest part isn't knowledge, it's discipline. Waiting for motivation keeps people stuck, but systems keep millionaires moving. Just like brushing your teeth, boring habits quietly change your life. Let's recap the truth about real wealth. Millionaires live below their means, not below their potential. They stay consistent when others quit. They stop trying to look rich and instead focus on behavior, not luck. Because wealth isn't built loudly. It's built patiently, quietly, over time. If this helped you see money differently, take a second to like the video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs this reminder. And tell me, what surprised you most about how millionaires actually live? Let's talk in the comments. This is Ethan's Money Library, building wealth one book at a time. Until next time, keep turning pages. Your future self will thank you.